There are plenty of workshops out there. They're busy. They're doing okay at the moment, and they're not actually being impacted by the repercussions of not going digital and modernising their business. But as I said before, by the time that it becomes an impact, then they've got to scramble. It's too late, and they've fallen behind the curve there. So that's number one reason, is things are okay as they are, and I've got other things to worry about. Or number two is I'm time poor. And I've been in that situation, run an automotive workshop, and there is so much you've got to do. Like it is actually difficult, you know. You're often there till late in the night. It's difficult to switch off, and it can be conveyed as it's another thing another fire that I've got to put out, another thing that I've got to deal with. So I think the reason for that in some workshops is